Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about pet organization. So thank you so much for tuning into my channel. My name is Claudia. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. I talk about organization and decluttering, and I keep it 100 by keeping it affordable, under $100. I got my dog as a puppy about 2 years ago, and I had never really had a full-time indoor dog, so I bought crates and I bought a playpen and 3 beds. Yeah, I went overboard, I know. But I wanted to make sure I was completely prepared for what I needed for my new dog. But as a result, I've collected so much stuff over the last 2 years that it's time to get it organized. But what I have learned over the last 2 years, is that I need a couple of zones. It's easier for me to have it in 3 different zones. The first thing would be for me to have a place at the front door so that when we come in from walks, I put her leash away and her doggy bags away so that I would have all the stuff right there by the front door. Now the back door is where we let her go outside and play. She rolls in the grass. So by the back door, I need to have wipes to wipe her paws in case she's out there and the grass is wet. I need to have some water and her food there because she's usually tired after she's run around and thrown the ball for a few minutes, and so I need to have those things there. And then I also need to make sure that I have a little bucket to just wash her paws in case her paws get muddy. So the third zone would be a place that I could have all of her shampooing needs. So it would be her shampoo, conditioner, her combs, her brushes, and things like that. So I've decided I'm going to set it up in those 3 zones. So if you want to see how I did it, let's get started. So now I have everything laid out on the table. I need to organize it and put like items together so I can have an idea of exactly what things will be placed in what container. As you can see, I have a lot of different things. I have all of her pet care items there. I have brushes, I have leashes, I have some of her clothes there. I don't even know if they all fit. I have collars, and I have coverings for the seats of the car, in addition to all her shampooing needs. So I have a question. If you have an indoor pet, do you have one zone for your pet supplies, or do you have things in multiple places like I do? Leave me a message in the comment section below. I'd love to know how you have your pet supplies set up. Okay, so here are some of the containers that I bought. The green ones I bought from Five Below. One was $5 and one was just under $5. And that brown one I already had in addition to the white one. I did go ahead and purchase this next one from Marshall's, and I got that for about $5 also. I like that it had a lid on it because I can actually put it underneath something and stack it. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting things into these containers and separating them so that I will know exactly what will fit and what won't fit. So if you like what you've seen so far, please like and subscribe to my channel. I would love for you to become part of my family. So after going through everything, I tried these outfits on her and they do not fit. So these will be donated, and they look so cute on her. Here we are in zone 1, and I have attached the bags to the leashes so I can have those already available when I take her for a walk. And then I just hung them on a nail right there in the closet, which makes them totally convenient to get to. And it's just a perfect location because they're right there by the front door. And then I put her bag on the top shelf, which has all her things I need when I take her away from home. Next, I use this brown container to put her container that I wash her paws in, and also the black towels which I use to wipe her tears in the morning. It also had some wipes in there, and this is the container I have her dog food in. I purchased it from TJ Maxx, and it just fit perfectly right there under the bench by the back door. So next, this is zone 3, and I decided to put all of her bathing equipment underneath this cabinet because it fits perfectly. I remembered I had this extra drawer in my buffet near my front door, so I decided to put the green basket in there, which will house all of her styling tools, her brushes, extra wipes, extra plastic bags. And then on the right side, I decided to put her harnesses and her collars, one on top of the other, and that will do it for that drawer. I decided to round up all of her toys and put them in this basket, which she decided that she could turn over, so that may not be the best fit, but it will work for now. So thank you so much for watching my video. I'm so glad you stayed tuned to the end. If you like what you've seen in this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'll have some other videos linked here so that you can check those out. Those are also about organizing and decluttering your space, and I hope you'll enjoy those also. Until we meet again, hugs and love. Bye.